What is up, everyone? It's Mike here with Out All Day. Hope everybody's doing well. We are over here in San Antonio, Texas. We're doing a road trip here across country again. First stop here was in San Antonio, so we're getting a hotel. I got everybody getting ready right now, but we are going out. We're going to be doing a walkthrough here at the Riverwalk in San Antonio. So I'm pretty excited. This is my first time checking this out, so I can't wait to see it. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a little bit of a video here. Try not to make it too long, but we're gonna have a good time here. So let's get this video going right now. All right, guys, we're gonna be walking down. We're checking out the Riverwalk right now. We're gonna be checking this out. We're gonna be seeing how this is gonna roll. So, but as you can see, it's right behind me here, San Antonio Riverwalk. All right, let's go check it out. I think it's going to be a pretty good video, you know, just kind of the way the atmosphere is. Pretty busy. It's Saturday right now. Very busy. And this place is definitely happening right now. So you guys can check it out. We got the boats. Got the boats right behind us here. Pretty cool. So we're gonna get ahead of these guys. Sorry that it's dark. But it's about 7, 8 o'clock right now. Things are starting to go down. I left my light back at the hotel, so I think this is gonna be pretty dark. So this is where we actually ate earlier. Came over here to Casa Rios. Food wasn't too good. I wasn't really too impressed compared to California food, but it was still pretty good. I was hungry, so you know, we got a grub on. I wish I would have gotten a picture of our food, but I think I ended up having the what did I get? Oh, I got the pollo asado, which really wasn't marinated too well. I wasn't too impressed, but whatever. I was hungry. Reasonably priced food. But I'm gonna turn the camera around, guys. Look, check out this background right here. Oh, we got San Antonio's finest. What's up, San Antonio's finest? We got that right there, but check out this architecture, guys. We got the bridge right here, and then over here, I don't know if you can, I'm gonna get on the other side here in a minute, but isn't that pretty nice? All right, I'm gonna get over here. A little bit better scenery here. I want you guys to check out this big red post here. So again, there's the tour boats right here behind me, but you got this big architect right here, and I don't know what that's for, but we'll find out later. I'll put that in the description or probably in the title here, but you guys can see that over there. Pretty cool.
I do have this tip jar, guys. Tipping your captain is allowed, accepted. Very, very much appreciated that you also.
We're right here on Market Street. So there's that bridge. We'll keep walking a little bit. We'll just kind of get a little bit better, cooler stuff around here. Got some vendors over here selling some balloons. So, got some cool stuff. What's up, guys? How's it going? What's up? So I hope the light's coming in pretty good. I hope the exposure is not too dark on this, but we'll come over here to the water's edge. So again, there's another bridge right behind me, and kind of give you another view from from the back side here. You got, again, Market Street right here. But you gotta check out these trees right here. I mean, they go up so high. So, all right, we're gonna walk over to the bridge and we'll check it out. We're actually we're gonna be doing a tour right now in a little bit. So, on one of these boats. So we wanted to come out here when it got a little bit cooler. So we're gonna go on one of those boats. So I think this is the line right here for the bus, or for the boats. So now that it's cooler, it's gotten a lot busier. So as you can see, guys, I mean, just the way this is, I mean, there's always something to see here. I mean, there's so much here. I mean, I believe this whole Riverwalk extends about 15 miles. And I mean, we have a little fountain right here. So it extends 15 miles, and I'm only covering just a little quarter of it. So yeah, definitely a cool place. I'm gonna bring a day here. Chill out right here on the seats, and just kind of chill out.
So you can trade it in the find zone.
Got all the stretch right here. I mean, just totally cool. And yeah, here's another boat. I mean, these guys come by through here pretty often. So, all right. So now that everybody's here, we are making our way down to the Riverwalk. We're gonna get on this boat. You know, occasionally you'll feel the breeze from one of the buildings with the air conditioner. I gotta tell you, it feels pretty good because it is really humid out here. It is like really humid. So we're gonna go wait in a long line, and obviously because of summer, you know, it's gonna be busier, obviously. But let me turn the camera around a little bit. So here's another long line. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big old long line. And I don't know if this is the end of the line or the beginning. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but big old long line behind us here. Is this the start of the? This is the end? Are you in line?
No, we're not in line.
Oh, you're not in line? Oh.
Boat?
Huh? Yeah, for the boat, yeah. It's way over here, huh? Yeah, see? So we're gonna find out where the end of this line is. Maybe we'll just jump in and just see what's about. Oh, line starts here. So here we are, making our way to the end of the line here at the Riverwalk. All these people wanting to experience this. I think the line's gonna move fairly quickly because you can put a lot of people on the boat. But fun. All the people. All this for you guys, so make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, we're doing this for you guys. We're gonna have a good time. I feel it though. And here it is, the end of the line. All these people.
subscribe to Out All Day channel.
There it is,
Check
guys.
it out.
Thanks.
Take care.